Who can remember? Okay, who can remember how to get the measurement of a perimeter? If you want to know or the perimeter, how do you measure it? Anyone can remember how do you measure the perimeter? When you say perimeter, who can remember what is perimeter? It is the total distance around the shape, right? The total
Teacher, but
distance.
yesterday I didn't learn long.
Okay.
Because,
But Nike,
because
we learned already about perimeter.
yesterday I got kicked off.
Yeah, we've been
Yesterday,
studying
come,
perimeter for 3
yesterday
weeks.
I come in, but I come in and in my iPad kick me off. I don't know why, and I can't go in.
Okay, thank you, Nike. So when you say perimeter, like my phone, what is the perimeter? Okay, so what is the perimeter of my
15.
phone? So
15.
to get the perimeter, you are going to what? Plus. You're going to add the side, 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 and sides. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how many sides does this shape has or this phone? How many sides?
Half.
How many sides?
4 half. 5.
How
4
many sides?
half.
4.
4
Okay,
half.
4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Okay, so I will share my screen. Let's proceed to our lesson. Can you see? I hope you can see my screen.
Now I just see that teacher level. Oh, I can see now.
Okay, thank
See.
So we are talking about measurement. Okay, so this unit we are learning more about how to measure the perimeter. Okay, so this is how to get the perimeter. I will say that again because every time I ask you say I don't know, I don't know. So the perimeter is
Don't know.
the perimeter. You should know the length plus length, the width plus width. Or you just say side plus side plus side plus side. You add that all. That is the perimeter. Okay. And also I introduced yesterday about regular shapes and irregular shapes. So the easiest way to understand regular shapes, when you say regular shapes, all sides are the same. Okay? Yes. When you say irregular shapes, all sides have different what? Different sides.
Size.
Okay, thank you. So if example, I draw like this. I hope I can draw better. What do you think? Is this regular or irregular shape?
Uh, irregular.
Is
Regular.
that regular or
Regular.
irregular? Okay,
Regular.
this let's see where's my
I
mouse.
see it irregularly.
Remember that when you say when you say irregular, when you say regular, all sides are same. Compared if I draw like this, what do you think? This one is A,
Irregular.
B.
Irregular.
Which one is regular? A or B?
A. A.
Okay,
A.
A is regular. Because look at the sides. They are all equal, right?
Yeah.
Letter B is what?
Yeah.
Irregular because this one is long, this one is short. Okay, very good. So that is regular and irregular shapes. I hope you understand because we are going to learn more today and yesterday we already practiced, no? So just continue with that paper. We have already one too. So look at the picture. You can identify which one is regular and which one is irregular. Because when you say regular, look at the shape. They're equal, same. Irregular, not same. Look at this. These are called irregular shapes. Okay, so let's proceed now. And yesterday, I already also explained to get the perimeter, you just plus, okay? So this one, you look from 1 cm each side to 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm. So we can see that the shape, okay, is getting, the perimeter of each shape is getting bigger too. Okay. So if we add two more shapes, so this becomes more 5. Look at that, 5 and 6. So look, from 4 cm went to up 24 cm. Why? Because the perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. This one, outside of the shape, that is perimeter. So when it's side, each side, this one is 1 cm, gets longer, it becomes 2 cm, it becomes 3 cm, and now 4 cm, 5 cm, and 6 cm. So the distance also gets longer. So in other words, bigger square, longer sides equals bigger perimeter. Okay? Smaller square, also shorter sides and what? Smaller perimeter. So that is small, of course. The measurement also is small. Okay? So yesterday, I let you write A and B. Okay? Please do not throw the paper yesterday, huh? I will collect that one. Teacher Love will collect it
Teacher,
because I
but
will
I
give.
didn't. Teacher, but I didn't do yet because yesterday I got kicked off by learning.
Who kick you out?
My
Who
nothing but
kick you
my
out?
iPad. I don't know what happened. My
Ah,
iPad don't let when I click my iPad don't let I go in.
okay, Nike. So you do it fast. For those who are finished A and B, who are finished with A and B, very good. I want you to keep the paper. Do not throw the paper. Do not throw the paper. On Monday, I will collect it. I will get big point. Yes, Baibu?
I do in notebook.
Okay, notebook, just keep. I will get a point. Okay? You understand? Do not say, Teacher Love finished. I will throw this in the garbage. No, I will be collecting coins. Okay, that is part of our activity. Okay, those who are finished A and B, let's now go to letter C. Nike, you can answer A and B. Just add plus, 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 plus. That is the perimeter. Before
Okay.
I will go, what can you say about letter A? Is this regular shape or irregular shape?
Yes. Irregular shape. Regular shape.
Ooh, why do you say irregular?
Because uh because at the because At the bottom is 4 cm and at the side is 2 cm.
Not the same. The sizes are not the same. Very good. How about letter B? Regular or
This
irregular
is
shape?
Regular.
regular.
Again?
Irregular.
Irregular. Okay, so when you say irregular, look at this. This one is 4. This one is 3. So not same size. So that is irregular shape. Okay, those who are done with A and B, write in your notebook now letter C. Write the perimeter. In your notebook,
One,
how you
two.
get the answer.
Teacher, write only letter C.
Letter C and write your answer.
Don't write the date.
Oh, just continue, Ayun. Yesterday we did already A and B. So just continue with letter C. We are now letter C.
Teacher.
Okay, answer now. Yes, Paman, you raised your hand.
Teacher, why the perimeter is meter?
Yeah, the unit that I'm using here is meter, not centimeter. Yes, this is 7 meter and this is 2 meter. So what's the perimeter of this shape? Maybe this is very long because it is 7 meter. Yeah, use meter, not cm. But same procedure, only the unit was changed. This one is bigger now. We measure by meter. This one is cm, this one is cm. So what's the
Teacher,
perimeter? Yes,
teacher, I think maybe 18. I think 18. I do it and I get 18.
you can chat your answer here.
Oh.
Okay, Anawin said 18 meter. Don't forget to write m, meter. Paman said 18. Nina says 18 meter. Okay, let's see. I show only 7 and 2. But how did you get 18? Ah. Thank you, Nawin. 18 cm, meter. Sorry, 18 meter.
Oh.
Ayun, 18 meter also. Latte said 18 meter. Very good. You're doing great. I said 18 meter. Okay. How about the others? Saleng. Nara is there. Okay, Chungku
Teacher,
says
I don't
18.
know how to say. Teacher, I don't know how to say in the chat, but I say 18 meter.
Okay, if you cannot do it in chat, you just tell me. Okay, just tell me.
I don't
Saleng,
know.
what's your answer? Nami says 18 meter. Okay, how did you get 18 meter? How about Baybun?
Don't know.
What's your answer?
I said 18 meter.
Oh, okay. All of you answered 18 meters. How did you get 18 meter when this is only 7 and 2? Anyone can explain? I show only 7 and 2. I show only the length and the width. Should it be 9 meter only? Is the answer 9 meter only? What do you think? Who wants to answer?
Meter. I think it's 18 meter.
Why? I have only 7 and 2, Nike. It should be 7 plus 2 is 9. It should be 9, right?
No.
No? Okay, why no, Nike? How did you get it?
Don't know.
Can you explain? How did you get 18?
Oh, done 18 because it's M.
Yeah, meter. That is meter. No problem, Ayun. CM or M, they are just same. The perimeter will not change. Okay? Your answer, the correct answer is what? 9. Is it 9? Okay, the
18.
answer is 18. Yeah. I show only 7 and 2, but because this is the length, they are just same. So this one also should be 7, right? And the other side also 2. So the perimeter, you add all. So that is 18 cm. Okay, correct. Very good. Let's go to...
Yay.
Yay. Okay,
Yay.
very good. Let's go to the next. Letter D. Okay. Ooh, look at the shape. Is this regular or irregular shape?
Irregular shape.
Irregular. Very good. This is irregular shape. Look at the side. Each sides are not the same. Okay, what's the perimeter? Start now. What is your answer?
8, 9,
You
10,
have
11,
to
12.
show. You show your answer in the notebook, how you get it.
Teacher,
And
I
you
think
check.
20.
Nike, you chat your answer. If you cannot, 20, Nike cannot chat, right? Okay, from Nike, 20 cm. Nike said 20 cm. Panman said 20 cm also.
Oh,
Let's
why everyone say 20 cm? Maybe
Mhm.
I'm too good.
You show your answer, Nike, huh? Show Teacher Love. You have to show how you get the answer in your notebook and send it to
Oh,
me
teacher,
on Monday.
because I count.
Is this meter? Look at what's the unit I use?
18 cm. No, 20
Oh,
cm.
this is cm, not m. You have to be careful. Anawin said 20 cm. Okay, 20 cm.
Teacher, but I don't know how to say in chat. Can you told me? I don't know. I want to say in chat.
No need, Nike. You just tell me. That's
I want
good.
to.
By cm. Okay, Panman 20 also.
Why everyone say the same as me? Because
No
I'm too
CM.
good.
Why is no CM?
Okay, Chumpu, 20 cm. No need to write anything, Chumpu. Only answer. No need star, star, or what is that?
just
Please.
say wrong.
Yeah, you can. What is your answer, Nawin? You can just say it. Okay,
20 cm.
let's see. How did you get 20 cm? How did you get 20 cm? You
Because
add, right?
I counted.
Okay, 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus
7,
5?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
12 plus 5, plus 2.
4,
Okay, let's say 20
14.
cm. Ayun, 14 plus 6.
14 plus 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, the answer is Nina said 20 cm, Latte 20.
Teacher, you see, I'm genius.
Okay,
I just say middle.
Yep, letter E now. Okay, irregular or regular shape?
Irregular. No, regular. Irregular.
Regular shape. Okay, answer, what's the perimeter? This is now in
30,
kilometer.
40, 50, 60.
Kilometer. Okay.
Teacher, I answer 18. 18.
Huh?
Answer 18.
Let's see. What's your answer? Paman said 28 kilometer.
I say
Mhm.
18 kilometer.
Okay, Nike, 18 kilometers. Let's see who got it correct.
Wait.
Nina said 28 kilometer. The length, 28 kilometer. Very good. Let's see who got correct. Nara, 28 kilometer.
Wait, I don't know. 18 kilometer.
Okay, yours 18. Okay, Nike, you can dip mouth already. We will wait for your friend. Latte, 28 kilometer. Nawin, 28 kilometer. Nara, 28. Baibun, 28 kilometer. Okay, Latte and Nawin, 28 kilometer. Nami, 28 and Chumpo. So only Nike said 18.
I think I'm wrong.
Oh, you tried to add. Plus 10 plus 11. 10 plus 11 is what?
You mean who?
10 plus 11,
21.
21. Plus 7, the answer is
28.
28.
28.
The answer is 28 kilometers.
No, I'm wrong. I can't wrong. I don't know what happened. What happened? Waradu, what happened? Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Don't you ever make fun that you're a boy.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer. Let's go to letter F. Let's see if you can answer the next one, letter F.
Wow.
Wow.
Is that regular or irregular shape?
12. Teacher, I answered 12 cm. 12 cm. Teacher, I answered 12. 10, 11, 12. Teacher, I answered 12. 12 cm. 12 cm.
18 cm. 18 cm.
12 cm. No one copy me.
Okay, let's
12
see.
cm.
Nike,
12 cm.
I heard you already, Nike. Once only.
12 cm.
Okay. 18 cm. Nara, 18 cm. Tumpu, 18 cm. Latte, 12 cm. Nina, 20 cm. So you have different answer, huh? Okay, I said 18 cm. Tumpu, 18. Zaleng, 12 cm. Okay. Let's see who got the correct answer. Nanawin, 12 cm.
18 cm, trust me.
Sure, I can change the answer.
Yeah, you can change. You look carefully. Look carefully. Zaleng, 14 cm. Look carefully at the shape. Okay, look carefully at the shape.
Of me 100% sure.
Okay, Ayun said 20 cm. Latte, 20 cm. Let's see who got
Teacher,
correct.
I copy.
Different answer.
She's different.
Nike.
What I do? What I do?
Okay, let's see. Now, as you can see, this side and this side are equal, right? This side
Yes.
and this side are equal. So you cannot see the size on that side. So it means this side over here is 6 cm. Sorry, I cannot, what happened to my C? Okay. On
No,
this
teacher, I
side,
changed. I think 20 cm. 20 cm.
Nike, can you sit mouth when I talk? Thank you.
I think
I will
Nike.
let you talk later. Listen to me first. You look. This is the side. You cannot see the size there, but this one, you will look carefully. This side and this side are same size. And this side are same. So if this is 2 cm, on this side is 2 cm also. So if you see 6 cm over here, on this side, you will see also 6 cm. So what is the perimeter? Let's see who got correct. So 6, when you add, we have 10 minutes left. 6, wait. So if I have 6 cm over here and another 6 cm, that will give me 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 4. So what's the answer? What's the answer?
18 cm.
20.
Huh?
20.
18
Okay.
cm.
Yes, that's right. The answer is, where I cannot see my mouse. Where's it? Okay, the answer is 20 cm. Who got correct?
Me.
Ah.
No,
Next
ไม่ได้รอบ
time,
นี้
be
นะขอโทษ
careful, Pam-man. Next time, you have to be careful. Do not look only the 4, the 6, and the 2. You look also the other, because perimeter, it should be all sides. Okay?
เย้
Okay, very good. Oops, I have the shape.
เออ
Hmm,
เอ
what
อ
happened?
ฮะ
Okay.
Huh?
Do letter G first. Do letter G. Oops,
G.
wait.
เราไม่ได้รอบ
Okay,
นะ
do letter G. Okay, because we have 8 minutes left. So I want you to do letter G. If we cannot finish, we will do it on Monday at school. Okay, so I said keep your paper. Okay, start with letter G first. Letter G. We have 7 minutes left. I think only letter G or H. Okay, what's the perimeter? Is
is
regular or irregular shape? What do you think?
G.
Regular or irregular shape?
And it is
Oh, is this regular or irregular shape? The shape letter G.
C triangular
Regular. Yes, this is regular. All sides are equal. So what is the perimeter? What's the perimeter of this shape? Okay? Answer? Let's see. What's the answer in the chat?
10.
20 cm, 18, 20 cm, 20, 20,
Slow.
20.
Very slow.
Who is very slow, Paman? Teacher Love is slow?
I don't know. Letter G.
Akong gipatong na, gipatong na ko tanan. Okay, the answer is
What is here?
yes. This is 5 and this is also 5. So the answer is 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 4 times 5. The answer is 20 cm. Very
Okay.
good.
I'll collect.
The last one.
Collect.
The last one. We will go letter H. This is the last one. I have 4 cm. What is the perimeter? Start now.
Why the perimeter is kilometer?
Wait. That's cm. So
But there is what happened?
yeah, what happened? Sorry, I did not change. I will change first. Because I just copy paste my
Perimeter is wrong. I think this much.
okay, what's your answer?
12.
Sure.
What did I learn?
I see.
20? Oh, why you have different answers? What is your answer? Zaleng, what's your answer? You can chat your answer. Okay. The answer is 12, 12 cm, 12 cm. All are 12. What is that, Nina?
Two Pop-Man. Why Pop-Man is lighting like that?
Oh, okay. 12 cm. Only write your answer 12 cm. Everyone got 12 cm. How did you get 12 cm? Can you explain?
Three
Because
times.
this
Three
is
times.
regular shape, right? A regular
Yeah.
shape has same size. So if this is 4, of course, this one also 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 4 times 3, the answer is what?
Is 2.
20 cm. Okay? Is it
Okay.
very tough or easy?
It's easy.
Okay, we have 3 minutes left. What do you think? You still can do letter I or we'll do it on Monday?
I think Monday.
Okay,
Monday.
Monday, you can give worksheet for you to answer today. Okay? Okay. So we will learn more about that on Monday. So maybe as I said, please keep the paper. You give it to me. I will give points on that. Okay? Do not throw. I will
Okay.
be keeping it. Give to me on Monday all my worksheets. Okay? So I hope you understand how to get the perimeter. How to raise your hand if you understand how to get the perimeter. You can raise your hand if you understand how to get perimeter. Okay, very good. Good job. If you cannot do it, it's okay. Just raise your hand. Okay.
Raise your hand
Yes.
แบบ emoji อ่ะ
Like this.
Okay. And how about how do you know how to identify regular irregular shape?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. If you know how, you send me heart. If you know how to identify regular and irregular shape. Yes. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. So I can see here, Ayun, Pumpman, attendance. We have Nina, Chungfu, I, Naki, Baibun, Nara, Zaleng, Nike, Laten, and Nawin. I hope you'll understand our lesson for this week because we'll be learning more next week. Next week, I will have observation, I guess, and Teacher Sean will come into our classroom next week. Let me check that again. Okay, so I think that's all for today, everyone. We have 1 minute left. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
teacher. See you again. See you again on next
Monday. Are you excited to go to school?
Monday.
See you at school.
Oh, bye bye.
Bye
Thank-
ไอเจอกันวันจันทร์
Nike,
Okay,
where's
ma'am?
your camera, Nike? Where, are you still in
Wait.
Pattaya? Siliguri now.
Yeah, teacher, I try to make my toy with this one.
Are you still in Pattaya or in Siliguri now?
In Pattaya. Here, teacher, I make my toy with this one.
Oh,